Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers what qualifies for enterprise payment and discounts. Let's get started. For our large or high volume clients, Scopito offers enterprise plans that provide volume discount pricing. We can look at the threshold for enterprise by going to Scopito.com and clicking on the pricing button on the top bar menu. On this page, you will click the Enterprise button to see the point of entry for enterprise pricing. For this example, under Building Inspections, the starting point for enterprise pricing begins at 300 buildings. We can also look at the other inspection types and the associated thresholds for the enterprise program. Scopito has a standard discount set at 20% for enterprise clients, but can be extremely flexible when the volume justifies it. In addition, there are other elements that come into play, such as multi-year contracts, or if the assets need to be archived for extended periods of time. Essentially, we are open and eager to develop customized solutions that meet our clients' needs. In summary, the threshold for entering into an enterprise agreement is 15,000 euros and up. Be sure to contact a Scopito representative for a free consultation to discuss all the benefits of the enterprise system. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.